Okay, 2011 Toyota Camry. Alright, diagnose the vehicle. You can see I turn the transmission to the right side, it works. Turn to the left, it doesn't. A while ago, nothing at all. So turn to the right. This is going to battery positive. And if I could do this one-handed, as you can see, the light turns on. Just like a show. Now look to the right, the left side. As you can see, we get nothing. And we're on the other probe. So this is battery positive. This is chassis negative. We'll go right here. As you can see, it starts flicking the other side. So you can see, flicks to the right, then to the left. See that? Just to show wire integrity from here all the way to there. Let me check this. Now you can see, there you go. We have faulty turn signal switch.